Hello guys, my name is Liadushan. Welcome back to my data structure series. Today I will discuss about the deletion operation of a circular linked list. I have already discussed about the insertion and traversal operation of a circular linked list. If you haven't seen that video, check out my data structure playlist and see how can we insert a node in a circular linked list and also how can we traverse circular linked list. So without any delay, let's get started. So deletion operation can be of three types. First of all, delete a node from first position, delete a node from the last position, and delete a node from an internal position. So, firstly, I will discuss about delete a node from first position. So, suppose these are the three nodes we have in a circular list: node A, node B, and node C. They are linked with each other by creating a circle. Okay, in this way. So we want to delete the node from the first position, which is node A, right? To delete this node, what can we do? Now the head pointer is pointing to the first node, which is A, right? We have to change the direction of head, right? So for that we have to give the address of node B into head, right? Again, to maintain or fix the circle, we have to give the address of the node B into the next pointer of the node C, right? So then it will be this circle, right? It will be this circle. This circle will be removed, right? So in this way we can delete a node from first position. So then next, delete a node from the last position. Now we want to delete the node C, right? So which is in the last position. To delete the node C, we have to link the node B with the node A, right? Because we have to maintain the circle, right? So we have to give the address of the node A into the next pointer of the node B, which will be the last node. Then we will delete this node simply, right? So in this way we can delete a node from last position. Then let's see how can we delete a node from an internal position. So this is the node B in an internal position. So we want to delete the node B. To delete this node, first of all we have to link the node A with the node C, right? So to link the node A with node C, we have to give the address of the node C into the next pointer of the node A, right? Then this link will be cancelled out. We will delete the node B. Then this link will be also cancelled out. So in this way we can delete a node from internal position. Now let's jump into the implementation. This is the code we have left in the previous circular linked list video. We have seen the three types of insertion function in the previous video, and we have also seen the traverse function. Now in this video we will see the three types of deletion function, right? So for that, first of all we will command out three lines. First of all, press 5 to delete a node from beginning. Then press 6 to delete a node from end. Then press 7 to delete a node from internal position. Now we have to add the three options also. So if the option is 5, we will call delete beginning function. Then use the option is 6, we will call the delete end function. Else the option is 7, then we will call the delete internal function. Okay. Now we have to make these three functions also. We have to make these three functions inside the Sargo English class. So first of all, delete beginning function. So first of all, we have to check that if the Sargo English is empty or not. So if the Sargo English is empty, then head must be null, right? So if this is happened, then we will simply return. We will do nothing because we have to do nothing. Then if the Sargo English is not empty, and if the Sargo English contains only a single value, then simply we have to delete this value, right? And we have to give the head null. So we will check by the head next pointer of the head. So if the next pointer of the head is pointing to the head again, then the Sargo English contains only a single value, right? Or contains a single node. So then we will simply delete this node. So for that we will make a temporary pointer to contain this node. Then we will make the head null, and simply we will delete this node. Then we will return. Okay. So if these two condition fails, then we have at least two nodes, right? So we have to delete these two nodes. So suppose in a circular list uh, we have three nodes. We have these three nodes. Okay, this is pointing to this node, and this is pointing to this node, and the last node is pointing to the first node again. Okay, then this is the head pointer. Okay, so we have to delete this node, right? So for that uh, we have to change the direction of head to pointing to this node, and we have to change the direction of these also, right? This pointer also we have to change the direction of this pointer to be pointing to this node, right? So we have to give the address of this node into the next pointer of this node, right? This is the simplest step we have to do. So now for that we have to go through a loop to find the last node, right? Because we have to change the next pointer of the last node, right? We will make a temporary pointer, and we will go through a loop till the next pointer of the node we get head again. If it is head, then it will be the last node, right? So if it is not head, so it will not be the last node. So we will go through a loop till we get the next pointer of the node is head. So if we get the next pointer head, we break the loop. We will break the loop. Then we simply jump to the next node. So in this point we have reached the last node. We have to delete the first node, right? So for that we will make another temporary pointer to contain this node. Then we will change the direction of head, right? We will change the direction of head to be pointing to the next node. So we will simply do that. It will be head of next. Then we will delete the then we will change the direction of this node, right? So we will make the next pointer of this node to pointing to the head. So this will be pointing to the head. Then we will delete the temp to on node. This is all we have to do. So then let's make the deleting function. So again we have to check that if the circle length is empty or not. So if it is empty, we will simply return. But if it is not empty, then we will again check that if the circle list contains one value or not. If it is contains only the single value, then we have to delete the single node, right? So we will make the head only null. So we will check that by if the head, if the next pointer of the head, if the next pointer of the head is head or not. If it is head, then it is the only the single value in the circle English list, then we will delete this value or node. So we will make the head null, then we will delete the node, then we will return. So but if the circle English contains more than one value, then we have to go through a loop to find the last node, right? Because we have to delete the last node. Suppose in this circle list we have to delete the last node. So this is the last node we have to delete. So for that we have to change the direction of this pointer, right? We have to change the direction to be pointing to the first node, right? Then we will delete this node. So first of all we have to go through a loop to find the last node. So we will go through a loop. Okay, we will simply jump to the next node. Then in this point we have reached the last node, right? So we have to also maintain the previous node, because we have to change the direction of the previous node, right? Of the next pointer of the previous node. So we have to maintain the previous node also. So this is the previous node. So before jumping, we will uh, store the temp into the previous. Since the circling list in this state contains more than one value, so the prev will not be null, right? Now we have to firstly change the direction of the next pointer of the previous node. We will pointing to this node to the head again. Okay. Then we will delete the last node. Okay. Now it is completed. Now we will make the delete internal function. So to make the delete internal function, firstly we have to receive the value of the node that the user wants to delete, right? So we will print out a command for that. Enter the value of the node we want to delete. Then we will receive the value. Then we have to find this value by go through a loop, right? So if we get the expected value, that the temp of data equals value, then we will break the loop because we have found the node. Otherwise we will jump to the next. First of all we have to check that if the head is null or not. So if the head is null, then circle English contains no node, right? So in this state we have to say that invalid node. So we will print out invalid node. Then we will return. Okay. Otherwise we will do this. So in this state, if the value is equal to the data of temp, then we have found the node, right? So we have to check that. So if the data of temp is not equals value, then we will print out that invalid node. Then we will return. But if we have got the value, then we have to delete this node, right? Firstly, we will check that if the node is in the first position or not. So if the node is in the first position, then we will simply call the delete beginning function, right? So if the temp is equals health, then it will be the first node, right? So then we will simply call the delete beginning function. Then we will return. Then we will check that if the node is the last node or not. So if it is the last node, then we will call the delete end function. So when it will be the last node, when the next pointer of the temp or this node will be the head, then it will be the last node, right? Because the next pointer of the last node points to the head again, right? So if this happen, we will call the delete end function. Then we will return. Okay. Otherwise, the node lies at an internal position. So then, what to do to delete this node? So suppose this is the circular list. So we have to delete this node. This lies at an internal position, right? So we have to delete this node. For that, we have to link this node with this node, right? We have to give the address of this node into the next pointer of this node. So then we will delete this node. So then it will be cancelled out, and this link will also be cancelled out. So then the circling list will be completed, right? So first of all, we have to make the linking of the previous node and the next node, right? So for that we have to maintain the previous node also, right? So we will do it in this way position. So firstly it will contain null. Then before jumping to the next node, we will store the temporary node into the previous node. So then we have to link the previous node with the next node, right? We have to give the address of the next node into the next pointer of the previous node, right? So we will give it into the next node of the previous node. So where we will find the address of the next node, we will find it into the next pointer of the temp, right? Which is kind node, we have to delete. So lies in the next pointer of the temporary node. And the linking is completed, then we have to delete the temp node, right? This is the delete. Okay, now it is completed. Okay, let's run. Let's see how many errors we get. So there is no error. Let's check. Suppose we will insert 3, 5, 7, 9 and 13. Okay, then we will delete node one by one. So firstly we will insert node at the beginning. Okay, we will insert 3. We will insert node at the end. We will insert sorry, this is after internal position. Suppose we will insert node after 3. So we will insert 5. We will insert node at the end. We will insert 13. Okay, let's check it. Okay, this is fine. 3, 5, 13. So now we will insert at an internal position. Let's press 3. We will insert after 5. We will insert 7. We will insert again at an angular position. We will insert after 7. We will insert 9. Let's check it. Okay, it's fine. 3, 5, 7 and 13, right? So now we will delete the nodes one by one. First we will delete from the beginning. Let's delete by pressing 6. Okay, let's check it. Sorry, 6 means delete from end, right? So we have deleted the node from the end, which was 13, right? So now let's delete from the beginning, which is pressing 5. Okay, let's check it. It's fine, right? 3 has gone. So 5, 7, 9. Now we want to delete the node 7, which lies in an internal position, right? So we have to press 7. Now we will delete 7. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, fine, right? 5 and 9 and 7 has gone. Press 0 to exit. So this was all for today. We have seen so far all the linked list. We have seen firstly single linked list. We have seen double linked list, and we have seen circle linked list also. So this is the end of the linked list series. We will see another data structure in the next video. So till then, keep enjoying and keep practicing. Thank you.